Alright guys, quick update. So I just got out of work. As you can see, I'm wearing my Amazon vest. And the guy who did my custom tubs and doghouse just posted up on his Instagram. The first person to pull up gets free hood struts. Well, if you don't know what hood struts are, they're shocks that go on your hood. So, because when you get tubbed, like I showed you guys before, you have to get rid of the springs. So right now, I have to hold up my hood with a fucking broomstick. So he's doing the giveaway. The first person to pull up to a shot gets them. I'm like 5 minutes away, so I'm trying to win this shit right now. Wish me luck, guys.
Perfect.
Guys, I fucking made it. I fucking made it, bro. They about to open the gates up for me. About to get this fucking hood strut installed. Yeah, boy. Did I win?
You got it? You're the first one.
Dude, I was like, fuck. No, yeah, because I drive the Amazon vans for work, so like I was in Tempe delivering.
Yeah.
And I was right on my way back.
Okay.
And then I was just scrolling through Instagram, and I was like, oh, Ruiz posted something, let's see what he posted.
Yeah.
And he seen the giveaway thing. I was like, oh, giveaway, and I was reading it, and I was like, no. And I hit him up, I was like, dude, I'm not out till 3. That's fucked up. He was like, hey, first one to pull up, no one has hit me up. So I was like, shit. I'm like, I'm about to fucking gun this shit. And then like, so I parked the van where the Amazon van like 5 minutes away from me on Elliott and Arizona. So like fucking hopped into my fucking truck and dipped. Damn, famous guy pulled up.
Perfect.
This famous guy. No famous guy. Jumping up shit. They're straight now.
Oh, I had to break a bed.
And they were crooked
No,
out.
because even when he took it off, he was trying to push it down.
That shit look cool. shooting this Instagram decal. As if you remember, or if you guys don't know, I no longer go by One-Slow HD _ Bulls on Instagram. My main page, the Dope Theft page, and then I made the Dope Theft page into my Dope Builds page. So Dope Builds will be my brand, Dope Theft will be me. That's a little info of what happened. If you guys try looking for me as One-Slow, and you can find me. For now, we're gonna be removing this decal. If anyone's ever tried to remove a decal with just a little knife, it's really hard. But this tool, I think it was AutoZone for like $2. It really helps. Here we go, guys. No more One-Slow. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Obviously the hood doesn't open completely all the way up. It's not like you need much room unless you're pulling out an engine, to be honest. I might get longer ones in the future. So the guy who did my tubs, Ruiz Kustomz, he's gonna be doing a raffle. And obviously it's only gonna be for the guys local to Arizona, because he is here in Arizona. But he is raffling off a set of tubs. Each raffle ticket is gonna be $10. He's gonna do 50 tickets, and if he sells more than 50 tickets, he'll do a second place prize. Probably be like $100 off something, off some work, or like whatever you want to get done by him. Give you a good discount. But yeah, guys, if you guys are local to Arizona and need some front tubs, go get some raffle tickets, guys. I'll put the address to the shop and the link down below in the description, and then make sure to go follow him on Instagram, guys. Ruiz Kustomz does some great work, guys. But yeah, check out the hood struts. I think they came out pretty good. What I like about it is that when I lift up the hood, kind of just lifts up by itself afterwards, you know? But I'm digging it. I'm also gonna start peeling the bed off pretty soon. Probably Thursday. I need to drop it off ready for paint. I've been slacking. But yeah, I'm gonna start peeling it, guys. I just don't want to peel it just yet. I don't want to roll around with two different colors for right now. But once it gets closer to the due date of me dropping it off, I'm gonna start peeling it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, see what other videos you guys want to see. I want to start vlogging more. More of like a day-to-day thing. Obviously, I don't really do anything fun, so I'll only vlog whenever there's something coming up. But I do want to start vlogging for you guys. But yeah, let me know. Comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.